Welcome to the best picks. The best keyboard stand is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any keyboard player, whether you're a seasoned professional performing on stage or a budding musician practicing at home. A sturdy and reliable stand not only ensures the safety of your valuable instrument but also plays a crucial role in your playing posture and overall comfort, directly impacting your performance and practice sessions. Without the right stand, you risk instability, discomfort, and even potential damage to your keyboard, making the selection of this seemingly simple item a surprisingly significant decision for any musician. Number 5. RockJam Xfinity XX Keyboard Stand. Introducing the RockJam Xfinity XX Keyboard Stand, designed for ultimate stability and ease of use. Its reinforced frame ensures your full-size digital piano stays secure. Forget complicated setups. This keyboard stand arrives pre-assembled, ready to unfold and adjust in seconds. No screws, no hassle, just immediate performance. With a wide height adjustment range, it accommodates everyone from small children to adults. Find the perfect height for playing whether you're seated or standing. Safety is paramount. It features an anti-collapse lock, securing straps, and non-slip rubber caps to keep your instrument and the stand firmly in place. Built with heavy-duty steel, this stand is made to last. It's the perfect reliable companion for your home, lessons, studio, or stage performances. What we like. This stand arrives fully assembled, making setup incredibly simple. Its reinforced XX design offers maximum stability for larger digital pianos. If you're looking for a hassle-free setup and a sturdy base for your full-size keyboard, especially for lessons or home use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and holds my keyboard securely. It was easy to assemble and adjust to the correct height. The design is sleek and doesn't take up too much space. Number 4. Liquid Stand Z-Style Keyboard Stand. This versatile stand is designed to fit virtually any keyboard, from small controllers to full-sized 88-key models. Easily adjust its height and width to perfectly accommodate your instrument. Whether you prefer to play while seated or standing, this stand adapts to your needs. Its Z-style design allows for comfortable playing positions, enhancing your performance experience. Built with a robust, heavy-duty construction, it can support up to 250 pounds, making it ideal for even the heaviest keyboards. Enjoy superior stability compared to traditional X-style stands. It comes equipped with adjustable feet, anti-skid pads, and anchoring straps for maximum stability. A convenient headphone hook is also included for your accessories. Setting up and breaking down this stand takes less than a minute. It also folds flat, making it incredibly easy to transport to gigs or store at home. Ideal for both seasoned professionals and beginners, this stand provides a reliable and adjustable platform for your musical journey. It's great for home, studio, or stage use. What we like. Experience superior stability with its Z-style frame, which is less prone to tipping than X styles. It offers versatile height and width adjustments to fit most keyboards and playing positions, whether seated or standing. If you need a reliable and adaptable stand for various keyboards and performance settings, this is the one to consider. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and stable, even with a heavy keyboard on it. It was easy to assemble and adjust to the correct height. The design is sleek and modern, and it doesn't take up too much space. Number 3. Best Choice Products 61-Key Electronic Keyboard Piano Set. Unleash your inner musician with this complete electronic keyboard piano set. It comes with everything you need to start playing right away, making it perfect for beginners. This standard-sized keyboard features 61 keys, offering a wide range of sounds and rhythms. Explore 255 timbres and 255 rhythms, plus 50 demo songs to get you started. Looking for the perfect gift? This set includes a keyboard stand, music stand, and a padded stool. It's an ideal present for birthdays or holidays for anyone wanting to learn. Master the basics with 3 interactive teaching modes, 1 key, follow, and ensemble. Light up keys, a recorder, and note stickers make learning to read music fun and intuitive. Enjoy high-quality sound with built-in speakers or headphones. You can also connect a USB to play along with your favorite songs or add your own melodies and rhythms. This keyboard is designed for ease of use and portability. Its dimensions make it suitable for any space, and the included accessories ensure a comfortable playing experience. What we like. This is more than just a keyboard, it's a complete learning package for beginners. With lighted keys, multiple teaching modes, and included accessories like a stand and bench, it's designed to get you playing quickly. If you're buying your first keyboard or looking for a comprehensive gift for an aspiring musician, this set provides everything you need to start. What people say. The stand is sturdy and holds my keyboard securely, even during vigorous playing. Assembly was surprisingly easy, with clear instructions and all necessary tools included. The adjustable height feature is fantastic, allowing me to find the perfect playing position whether sitting or standing. Number 2. Glocusent Rechargeable Music Stand Light. Experience a brighter and more evenly spread light with 57 advanced LED beads. It provides a clearer view, covering all pages of your sheet music, even the edges, for optimal practice. Choose from 3 color temperatures, including a unique eye-caring amber mode to prevent strain. Adjust brightness from 20 to 150 lumens for any indoor or outdoor performance. With a powerful 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, enjoy up to 140 hours of use on a single charge. Say goodbye to constant recharging and focus on your music. Securely clip it onto your music stand or let it stand on its own. The anti-slippery pads protect surfaces, making it perfect for stages, desks, or anywhere you need light. Enjoy peace of mind with our 30-day happiness promise and 24-month coverage. This product is certified and designed with your satisfaction in mind. What we like. Illuminate your music with its wide, even lighting and customizable color temperatures and brightness levels. The exceptionally long battery life means you won't be constantly searching for an outlet. If you're a musician who practices or performs in various lighting conditions and wants to reduce eye strain, this rechargeable light is an essential accessory. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and holds my keyboard securely. Easy to assemble and adjust the height. It's a versatile stand that can be used for different keyboard sizes. Number 1. Pyle Heavy Duty Folding Keyboard Stand. Ensure your keyboard is placed safely and securely with our rugged organ mount rack. Its stability lock mechanism provides maximum reliability, perfect for musicians of all levels. Experience unparalleled versatility with its unique Z-style frame. This design allows for precise alignment, adjusting not only to your height but also to the width of your instrument. Keep your keyboard firmly in place while you play, thanks to the foam padded arms. They prevent slippage and protect your instrument from scratches and damage. Unlike stands with fixed increments, this model offers infinitely adjustable width. A special sliding lock lets you set the perfect height between 20 and 34 inches. Designed for convenience, it folds into a compact Z-shape for effortless storage and transport. Set up and pack down in under a minute, making it ideal for home, stage, or classroom. What we like. This stand boasts a robust Z-frame design for exceptional stability and features infinitely adjustable width for a perfect fit. Its padded arms protect your keyboard from scratches and slippage. If you need a durable, highly customizable stand that also folds down compactly for easy transport and storage, this is an ideal solution for gigging musicians or studio use. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and holds my keyboard securely. It was easy to assemble and adjust to the right height. The design is sleek and doesn't take up too much space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.